In this video, I will tell you what additional knowledge you should acquire to become financially intelligent. For prosperity and wealth creation, your knowledge should expand to cover areas like investments, money markets, funding retirement, the science of supply and demand, compound interest, opportunity cost, managing debt, budgeting, risk management, financial planning, and tax planning. Learn about capital preservation, risk, and return characteristics of each investment type and choose the right investment mix for each financial goal. For example, your money is relatively safe in your savings account and certificate of deposit, but the trade-off is lower rates of return, possibly lower than inflation. On the other hand, you could lose it all with the stock market, money market, or in a small business, but the returns on investment are potentially higher. Apply investment diversification, so that you can reduce the overall volatility and risk of your overall investment portfolio. Improve your knowledge about good debt and bad. Bad debt comes in a form of borrowing money for liabilities such as credit cards to buy consumer products or to spend vacations. Good debt is when you use borrowed money to purchase productive assets that are likely to appreciate or generate income, and this income will pay the respective debt. Don't get bad debts, and don't accumulate too much debt. Stay out of bad debt and don't spend too much money on debt-related expenses, like high interest rates and finance charges. If you are in debt, pay off your debt as fast as you can to reduce debt-related expenses. If required, negotiate your debt with lenders to reduce your expenses. Reducing your debt accumulation is the same as increasing asset accumulation. Understanding the tax regimes and tax benefits can work to your advantage. With the right knowledge, you can utilize the tax code to get richer and pay the least amount of taxes. Knowing the commercial code works in your favor. Limit your personal liability whenever you are setting up a business by choosing the appropriate business entity. Limited liability companies and corporations reduce your personal liability. To improve your financial information, it is important to base your decisions on facts that should be verified first and correlated with information from different sources. Get detailed knowledge of various aspects of the investments you make. If you don't understand how it works, don't do it. Conduct extensive research before making decisions, since knowing everything about your investment allows you to invest with confidence and avoid regrets. Ignorance and lack of information will make you lose your wealth. If you master those financial skills, you are halfway through, and if you lack knowledge in any area, you better start learning or seek the opinion of expert advisors.